My father, Eric Lyall, was the last person to be killed in a fatal accident at the quarry. The date was September the 8th, 1966, some 3 years before the quarry closed. He was 45 years old, married with 3 children. My eldest sister was 20, I was 17, and my younger sister was 10. It was a Thursday, and it was a fine sunny day. I had just started my final year at Ysgol Bryn, and as I came in from the PE lesson, was told to report to the headmaster's office. As I approached, I could see through the window the Reverend J. Alwyn Parry, the minister at Capel Coch, in the outer office. I thought to myself, what is he doing here? It never crossed my mind that he was the bearer of bad news. He muttered something about my father being involved in an accident at work, and that my mother wanted me to go home with him. I remember gathering my bag from the school library and explaining to my friends that I had to go home. Mr. Parry and I spoke about various things on the way to Llanberis. Everything except the accident. When I saw my mother in tears in the parlour, a room which we only used on special occasions, I knew the worst. My father had risen through the ranks to become a steward or overlooker at the quarry, and he and a team of men were trying to stabilise a rockfall which had occurred a few weeks previously. He was attached to a rope when some of the rocks started sliding, pulling the rope from its anchorage, and he fell to his death. I had overheard him a few days previously telling my uncle, who was an ex-quarryman, that he had been assigned to a dangerous site, but I never thought that his life would have been in peril, since he had worked at the quarry for the best part of 30 years. A few weeks afterwards, one of my father's best friends came round with a message that Sir Michael Duff, the quarry's owner, was offering me clerical work in the main office. I was not upset or offended by his offer. I thought it was his way of showing his concern for his workers and their families.